Assalamu alaikum and good morning, dear students. Welcome to my virtual class brought to you by Jiranpur Online School and the Outandi Online School. Here, presenter is Mihir Niga, Assistant Teacher English, Jiranpur Purimunasa High School. Today, I am back with English second paper for class 9 and 10, and today's my topics is tag question. Actually, tag question is very easy topics in your grammar. You have to answer 5 marks from these topics, and it's very interesting thing is that you can easily pick 5 marks from these topics if you attentive in your lesson. So, dear students, without wasting our time, let's start our topics. In the previous class, I have already discussed 3 or 4 important rules of tag question, and today I will also discuss some another rules of tag question. So, look at my blackboard. I have already written the another rules of tag question. The first rule is that if the tag question if the statement starts with an imperative sentence, in that case will be used in that tag question. We all know that the characteristics of imperative sentence. At first, you have to identify the imperative sentence very carefully. We all know that, or in the previous class we have learned that there are some signs to identify whether it is an imperative sentence or another sentence, another types of sentence. The most important symptoms are like that. An imperative sentence starts an imperative sentence always starts with the main verb. And number 2, imperative sentence starts with the word always. An imperative sentence starts with the word never. Imperative sentence always starts with the word don't or do not. And imperative sentence always maximum an imperative sentence starts with the word let. So in the tag question, if the statement starts with the word let, in that case shall will be used here. Now come to the next rule. If the statement starts with these words, that means everyone, everybody, someone, somebody, in that case they will be used instead of this word. And if the statement starts with this word, all of us, then we will be used instead of this word. Now, if the statement starts with the word all of them, in that case they will be used instead of this word. Everything, anything, something, nothing. Okay. If these words is used as a subject in the statement, in that case it will be used instead of this word. Nothing. So, dear students, these are the most important rules of tag question. So, I have written some examples of tag questions so that you can easily understand and you can easily apply the rules. So, the first sentence is like that: nothing is certain. In this sentence, at first I have to identify, according to the rules of tag question, at first I have to identify in the statement if there is any kind of auxiliary verb or not. If any kind of auxiliary verb is present in the statement, then we will have to take that auxiliary verb, and if the statement is affirmative, then the tag will be negative, and the statement is negative, the tag will be affirmative. So, nothing is clear. It is the statement, it is the main statement of tag question. So, I have identified that is there is an auxiliary verb, and that is. So, I have to pick the auxiliary verb, that means is, and the statement is in the negative form, so the tag will be affirmative. So and it will be used instead of the word nothing, and you have to remember that in the tag question you will have to use the question mark. You will have to use the question mark. Now, so the final answer is like that: nothing is certain, is it? Now come to the second example. Everybody wishes to be happy. From the example, I have found that there is no auxiliary verb in the example, but there is main verb, that is wishes. So and the verb is in the present form, that means present indefinite tense. So that do or does will be used here. But if I notice the subject, that means everybody, it is third person but plural. So in that case, do will be used here. Now the statement is in the affirmative form, so the tag will be negative. So not will be used here, and everybody and they will be used instead of the subject, that means everybody. So the final answer is like that: everybody wishes to be happy, don't they? Now come to number 3. You had rather wait here a moment. So at first I have to find out if there is any auxiliary verb in the statement, and I have already found that there is an auxiliary verb, and that is had. So I have to pick that auxiliary verb. Now the statement is in the affirmative form, so the tag will be negative. So not will be used here, and the subject is used, that's why you will be used after the auxiliary verb. So you had rather wait here a moment. The final answer is like that: hadn't you? Hadn't you? Now come to number 4. Let us predict the possibility. I find that the statement is in the imperative sentence, and the statement starts with the let, so shall will be used here. Shall we? So, dear students, these are the rules of tag question. And I have tried my best to make you understand the rules of tag question with example, and I hope that this class will very helpful to understand these topics. So thank you very much for connecting with me. Thank you.